climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Yeah, great job! Rescue task is complete. Should Whiskers climb the tree to play without protection? You are right! Awesome! Climbing the tree is very dangerous. Should Whiskers climb up the cupboard at home? You are right! Awesome! Cupboards collapse easily. Children should not climb on cupboards. Should Ho-Ho climb up the window by using a chair? You are right! Do not climb up windows at will.
Whoa, whoa!
Help! Help!
Kiki, the fire in the tall building is so serious that everyone is trapped. We need to hurry and rescue them. Momo, I'm going to enter the building to save people. You stay outside to control the fire and help me save them.
No problem.
Let's prepare rescue equipment first before entering the building.
Protective mask. Powder fire axe. Fire shovel. The equipment is ready. Let's save lives. The fire is too strong. Put it out with a water gun first. Oh no! The fire restarts. Use the powder fire extinguisher to put out the fire.
Oops! The burning items have fallen down. Use the fire shovel to remove them.
Firefighter Kiki, don't be afraid. I'll help you out. has fallen down. Use the fire axe to split them.
Firefighter Kiki!
Come on, follow me closely to a safe place.
Everyone is saved. Let's get them to a safe place.
Put out the fire with scaling ladder and water cannon.
Kiki, everyone has been rescued and the fire is under control. Rescue task is complete. Whoa, whoa!
Should Ho-Ho cover his nose and mouth with a wet towel to escape when a fire breaks out? That's not the right answer. You are right! Awesome! Should Ho-Ho play with matches, lighters, and other dangerous source of fire at home? That's not the right answer. You are right! Playing with source of fire at home can cause a fire. Should Ho-Ho call the fire station when his house is on fire? That's not... You are right! Awesome!
Whoa, whoa!
What problem are we gonna to solve now? What problem are we gonna to solve now? Tasks completed. Now let's answer the questions.
Is it right to use soapy water to clean the wound? You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right to hide a bee sting from the teacher at the You are right. That's not correct. Is it right to slap the bees landing on body with hands? You are right. That's not correct. Is it right to stay away from bees in sight? You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right or wrong to poke a beehive just for fun? Is it right or wrong to poke a bee? You are right. That's not correct. Is it right to see a doctor immediately after a bee sting? You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right to keep exercising? You are right. That's not correct. Is it right to drink lots of... You are right. That's not correct. Drinking lots of water after a heat stroke may increase burden of heart. Is it right or wrong to have an ice cream in... You are right. That's not correct. Eating icy food after a heat stroke can make you feel more nauseous. Is it right to stay in the shade after a heat stroke? You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right to cool the body with a wet towel after a heat stroke? You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right or wrong to replenish fluids after exercise? You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right to go to the hospital for rabies vaccine injection immediately after being bitten by or rabies vaccine injection? Immediately. You are right. That's the right thing to do. Is it right or wrong to treat little animals? You are right. That's not correct.